stars up in the sky. I don't care, everything is gonna be alright. And I want you to know some feelings come and go.
Go into the Marina cross country, as you can see.
It's harder than it seems to know what to
Massive caterpillars knocking about. I'll take a picture in a minute and show you. What's that?
I got to keep on walking with my head held high, because I see the sky on a day like this, and I know I will be free. Oh, I will be free. Never seen a face like yours. It makes me smile just when I think of you for sure. And all we have is all we have to show. And all we need is
Here we are, off-roading just outside La Marina. It's probably some of the best trails I've seen in Spain so far. Really nice ride.
I saw you in my dreams, and then you came to me. Will you be mine? I only hope. I got to keep on walking with my head held high, because I see.
Well, here we are at a viewing point. I reckon I can get to Santa Paula down this way, going down here. I reckon I can.
You to know some feelings come and go, but for your
Marina.
never change.
Oh no, it's sunny afternoon.
It's harder than it seems to know what to believe. Here in my mind I hold you.
Quite nice around this area actually. I like it.
Got to keep on walking with my head held high, because I see the sky on a day like this, and I know I will be free.